Yes, good morning. This is the LG K51 that I was writing about. As you can notice, I have already written, but I haven't did the video. I'm doing the video right now. The date is February 13, 2025. It is now 8:42, and as you can see, this is the phone right here. Now you can see the about phone. As you can see, the Imei is not registered and it's not on now. And SIM card is not popping up. And when I do nothing show up. So as you can see, the phone is not repaired, and they had charged me for the credits. And as you can see here as well, log. Okay. That's the Z3X log, which way it was done. They had charged 10 credits. I'm also going to send a username so you can refund the credits for me as well, please. Thank you.